there, everybody, and welcome back. We're going to continue our hyperbolic, straight edge, and compass constructions. Now, what have we seen? Well, we recreated the perpendicular bisector tool. That was pretty nice. And then the midpoint tool, which we just saw, that one's a little finicky. The midpoint sort of winks in and out of existence. And it's a little annoying. And again, it's the GeoGebra environment. It's not a problem with the math. It's a problem with we're doing math on a computer and it doesn't want to recognize intersection points. And I chalk it largely up to the circular arc tool in GeoGebra because that doesn't exactly follow a circle, as I found. It just sort of does its best guess. You can actually zoom in on certain points that you'd think are on the circular arc, that you know are on the circular arc because you know math, and that lie on the circle if you use a circle tool, for some reason just aren't on the circular arc, which is quite annoying. But it's not going to stop us from actually doing math. It's just going to cause points to pop in and out of existence in the weirdest of circumstances. So I'm going to avoid the midpoint tool. We're going to construct something new this time. We're going to take a hyperbolic line and a point not on this hyperbolic line, and we're going to construct a perpendicular to our hyperbolic line through this given point. And we do it the exact same way with straight edge and compass that we would with the regular Euclidean straight edge and compass, the plane straight edge and compass. So I'll take this point as a center and then just use any of these 2 points here to create a circle. We'll get another intersection point here. Okay. And so now we'll use these guys and make 2 hyperbolic circles there using our hyperbolic compass tool. We got some intersection points. And now the hyperbolic line between these 2 points contains our given point that is off the line, the hyperbolic line, and it meets our original line at a right angle. Okay. So there we go. And this creates, let's see, there it's doing that winking in and out of existence thing again. But this does create a perpendicular hyperbolic line. And you can say, well, it doesn't quite look like it, just like some of the other things haven't quite looked like it. But remember how we measure angles. You got to sort of zoom in really close to the point where the curvature goes away, and you're essentially then dealing with tangent lines. And yeah, this looks like a perpendicular intersection. And these lines are indeed perpendicular. And we can move them about, and provided that GeoGebra doesn't get temperamental and make things pop in and out of existence, it still stays as a right angle. It's still a right angle. So we can create a new tool. With this, we'll make the arc a different color so that I can tell. We'll make it black. So now let's add it to our toolkit. So I'll create a new toolkit, or to create a new tool, and we don't need these points here. So there's A, B. Where is point B in all this? A, C, and D. Where the heck is B? It doesn't seem to have a point B. That's odd. Alright, so D I'm assuming is our secondary point, but we still need all 3 of these. 2 of them specify the line, the other one gives us the perpendicular. And we also just need a hyperbolic disk, the thing that specifies our environment. And then we're good to go. Okay, so then we'll call this, I don't know, perpendicular line. And we've got a tool here for it, or an icon, I guess. And now we've got a brand new tool. So now we can go between the line on these 2 points and through this point, we can get another perpendicular. And we can even demonstrate this. So here's a hyperbolic line. And this new line that we've created is indeed perpendicular to the green line. So we have added a bit to our new hyperbolic set of tools. And provided that it's not finicky, and again, this is only because of GeoGebra, And I have seen proper implementation, so if you're really interested in being able to do a whole bunch of stuff in GeoGebra with hyperbolic geometry, there are things you can download and add. Okay, but it's all there, and we get perpendicular lines. So, thanks for watching, and we'll continue to add to more. We'll add more hyperbolic tools back in the next video.